Hello everyone! Welcome to our beautiful collection of adorable crochet baby dresses and designs for 2026. Get ready to fall in love with these charming, handcrafted pieces that combine elegance, comfort, and creativity in every stitch. As you watch, imagine the softness of these delicate yarns against a baby's skin, gentle, breathable, and made with love. Each dress you see here is more than just an outfit. It's a work of art, carefully designed to bring out the innocence and beauty of little ones. In this collection, you'll notice a variety of styles ranging from simple and classic baby frocks to more detailed and intricate designs. Some dresses feature soft pastel colors like baby pink, sky blue, creamy white, and lavender, perfect for a calm and soothing look. Others are vibrant and playful, adding a cheerful touch that reflects the joy babies bring into our lives. Pay close attention to the patterns. You'll see beautiful lacework, floral-inspired stitches, and elegant layered designs that give each dress a unique personality. The attention to detail in every stitch shows the dedication and creativity behind crochet artistry. These dresses are perfect for every special moment, whether it's a birthday celebration, a family gathering, a photo shoot, or even a casual day out. They are designed not only to look stunning but also to provide comfort, allowing babies to move freely and happily. One of the most special things about crochet baby dresses is their handmade feel. Each piece carries warmth, care, and a personal touch that machine-made clothing simply cannot replicate. It's this uniqueness that makes crochet designs truly timeless and meaningful. As you continue watching, you'll notice different sleeve styles, necklines, and skirt designs, from sleeveless summer dresses to cozy, slightly thicker designs perfect for cooler days. Some dresses come with adorable matching accessories like headbands or little booties, completing the entire look. These 2026 designs reflect modern trends while still holding onto that classic, vintage charm that crochet is known for. They are perfect for parents who want something stylish, yet soft and traditional for their little ones. If you're someone who loves fashion, creativity, or even crochet itself, this collection will surely inspire you. You might even find ideas for your next handmade project or a perfect outfit for a special baby in your life. Let these designs remind you of the beauty in handmade creations, the patience, the skill, and the love woven into every single thread. If you're enjoying this collection, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful crochet inspirations. Thank you for watching, and enjoy every adorable moment of these lovely baby dress designs.